Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the second video in our 5-video series of this Strawberrific time of year, the Strawberrific season. In this video, I'm going to share with you my second yummy dessert, and it's going to be a strawberry cheesecake parfait. You can call it a strawberry cheesecake in a cup. I featured this recipe in my family vlog a week ago when we went strawberry picking, so if you missed that, make sure to go ahead and check it out. Also, if you missed yesterday's video, which was a strawberry smoothie, make sure to check that out as well. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you never miss out when I post one of my videos. So this yummy cheesecake parfait recipe is a no-bake recipe. And of course, if I'm making this dessert, you can guarantee that it's going to be simple, easy, and of course, gluten-free. So let's get started. Going to be using, of course, some fresh strawberries, half a cup of sugar, some gluten-free graham crackers, 3 tablespoons of salted butter, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 container of cream cheese, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We are then going to take our fresh strawberries and we are going to dice them up. You can dice them into whatever size you would prefer, depending on how big you would like your strawberries and your parfait. Then we're going to take 1 tablespoon of sugar and we are going to mix it into our strawberries. This will make them nice and sweet. We're then going to take our graham crackers and we are going to be using a Ziploc bag and we are going to be crushing them. This is how we're going to make our yummy crust in the bottom of our parfait. Once our crumbs are ready, we're going to take some butter, melt it, and mix it in with our crumbs. Using a mixer, we're going to make our cheese mixture. We're going to take softened cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to mix it together until it is well mixed. We're then going to take that mixture and we are going to place it in a different container. Now we are going to be making our whipped cream. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to place it in the bowl, mix it until it becomes whipped cream. We're then going to add our cheese mixture into the whipped cream and mix until it is well mixed together. Now we are ready to start assembling our cheesecake parfaits. And of course, I have to make Noah his special requested peach parfait. While we were there, they also had fresh peaches. Yum! This next step you don't have to do. We do it because we absolutely love whipped cream. We're going to top it off on the top again with even more whipped cream and garnish it with a nice little fresh strawberry on the top. Oh, it looks so delicious, so light, so fresh. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.